Let's look at number 9, calculating trade discounts and recording invoice in books of prime entry and ledger accounts. So your book of prime entry that you have to do is your purchases journal and your sales journal. Besides that, we have not learned the rest. Okay, and then the ledgers that you have to put in will be your purchases ledger, sales ledger, and nominal ledger. Remember, in your sales ledger and your purchases ledger, both these ledgers contains only names in these names and T accounts. Okay, so it must be a name of a person or must be a name of a business that owes money to you or you owe money to them. So let's look at the first one here. During October 2018, the following invoices were received. Purchase invoice from Melvin. So Melvin actually bought from purchase invoice, yes. We bought from Melvin. 20 bicycle multiplied by 160 will be 3,200. 160 multiplied by 20. Yeah, 3,200. Then mine multiplied by the trade discount that you'll receive will be 800. So 2,400. Yes. So this is price before discount, price after discount. You can just record this for question A because they just want you to calculate the actual amount charged for each purchase and sales. So let's look at the second one, which is October 28. Purchase invoice from RV Bikes. 15 bicycle 430. 6,450. Discount will be 2,150, and then after you minus that, 450 minus 4,200. So this is after the discount. This one will be used later on in your purchases journal. Now let's look at the next one. Will be under your credit sales. You do the same thing. October 7th. W Gifford. 6 cycles, price of 400 each, 2,400. Trade discount of 20% will be 480. Total will be 1,920. Right. This for sales. And then October 26. T Harry. 8 cycles, 330 each. 2,640. Multiplied by 15%. 396. Yes, this is all you need to do for question A. Then let's look at question B. We need to prepare the following accounting records in the books of Alvo. Purchases journal, sales journal, purchases ledger account, sales ledger account, appropriate ledger, and nominal ledger account. So here we need to start with our purchases journal. Same thing like just now, date, details, $sign for calculation, $sign for calculation. So here we're just gonna put this in like that all the way. So here date will be October 12th. Nothing less 25% free discount. 2,200, 800 in brackets. 3,400. So put a line here to show that you're calculating. Next one will be October 28th. Harvey Bikes. 6450. 450. 4,300. Draw a line. To write how much discount that you receive, plus 43 and a third percent. Then just put October, last day, 31st. Total credit. Actually, 6.1. We just need to draw a line here to show we're calculating. All right, here, so add these two together, 6,700. Okay, later we need to transfer this into our ledger or T accounts. Okay, done with purchases journal. Now we do sales journal. So journal, same details here, date, details, and dollar. So the first one will be October 7th, public effort, 2,400 plus 480, which is B, 20%, 3%, and the amount will be 1,920. So just draw a line to show calculation. Next will be October 26th. Key value. 8 cycles for 2,140 plus trade discount of 15%, 396. Draw a line to show calculation. So find the total here. So it's actually total credit sales revenue. It will be the same, October 31st. The amount here would be what's the amount? Okay, once you're done with your sales journal, and then you're done with your purchases journal, now we need to transfer them into our T accounts. We got purchases ledger accounts, sales ledger accounts, and appropriate nominal ledger accounts. Let's do the easiest one first, which is the nominal ledger accounts. So we're just gonna bring this over here, and then we're going to open a T account. 6. Okay, so this is in your nominal ledger. Open a T account. So this one, let's just write sales. Purchases. Okay, in your purchases account, this amount will come inside here. Okay, it will be on the debit side because purchases we always debit. So this 6,700, just gonna write it here. Write the date, which is October 31st. Then you just write where you get it from, purchases journal. We do the same for sales account. October 31st on the credit side, just write sales journal. 4,164. That's it. So these are done. So these two accounts are inside your book called your nominal ledger. So this is the fastest that we're going to do first. In your nominal ledger, these two accounts will appear. Now we need to go to our purchases ledger first because we are doing our purchases journal. So these two names will appear inside our purchases ledger. So let me just write it down here. I can just copy this whole thing. Put it down here. Change the color to green. So this one I just call it purchases ledger. So in my purchases ledger, I'm just going to include the names of the people that I owe money to, which would be Melvin. So if I owe money to them, they are a liability to me. I'm just going to record this amount here, 2,400 right here. And I'm just going to write purchases. On the actual date that Melvin bought from me, which is October 12th. Okay. There is no double entry here because this 2,400 is included in the 6,700 here. So I'm just going to let it be like that. And then the other one will be device. It's the same thing. I'm going to put the date that I bought from them, which is October 28th. And I'm going to write purchases. And the amount will be 4,300. Again, I'm not going to do the double entry here because this one is included inside our total already. So these two adds up to this one. So now I'm going to do sales ledger, which is exactly the same, just on the opposite side, because they are my trade receivable. So they should be on the debit side because they are an asset to me, because they owe me money. So now there will be W. Gifford and T. Perry. So W. Gifford and T. Perry. So this one, I'll just delete it. And I'll just put these two amounts. See, October 7, 1920. October 7, 1920 sales. Same thing for this one. October 26, T. Perry, 2,244. And just write sales. And that's all. We prepared all already. So your nominal ledger will be your V. This is your purchases ledger, is your number 3. This is your number 4. The sales journal is your number 2. The purchases journal is your number 1. This one question B. And that's it.